Is your refrigeration system struggling to maintain a consistent temperature, or is it working harder than it should? The root cause might be a failing thermostatic expansion valve, a small but vital component. Welcome to PartsHnC. In this video, we'll show you how to properly install a Danfoss TUA series thermostatic expansion valve. This particular model is an ideal choice for systems using R134a or R513A refrigerant, and it features a durable stainless steel body and convenient bimetal steel or copper connections, making it perfect for professional applications. The Danfoss TUA valve is an internally equalized valve that precisely controls the flow of liquid refrigerant into your evaporator. It is designed to operate reliably across a wide temperature range and has an adjustable superheat setting, allowing you to fine-tune your system for optimal performance. When you're ready to install, remember to prioritize safety. Always disconnect power and properly recover the refrigerant from the system using a recovery machine. This is a critical first step. Carefully remove the old valve. The new Danfoss TUA valve features bimetal connections designed for quick and easy brazing. It's crucial to purge with nitrogen before and during the brazing process to prevent oxidation and ensure a leak-free, clean connection. Once brazed, securely attach the sensing bulb to the suction line with the provided strap. Proper placement is essential for the TXV to accurately sense the superheat and function correctly. After brazing, pull a deep vacuum on the system to remove all air and moisture. Finally, recharge the system with the correct type and amount of refrigerant. Once the system is running, check your superheat and subcooling readings. If they are within the correct range, you have successfully installed the new valve. To get the exact Danfoss TUA series thermostatic expansion valve you need, click the link to our website in the description below to shop now. Remember to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and Pinterest for more helpful tips and updates. Thanks for watching.